Have you ever thought about writing an ebook? Imagine the thrill of seeing your name on the cover of a digital book, available to readers across the globe. It's not just about vanity or self-expression, though those are certainly part of the allure. It's also about the potential for passive income, a stream of earnings that continues to flow long after the work is done. Writing an ebook could also help you reach a global audience, connecting with readers from different walks of life, from different corners of the world. And let's not forget the credibility it can lend. With an ebook, you can establish yourself as an authority in your field, a thought leader, a go-to resource. But how do you get from idea to ebook? It might seem daunting, but don't worry. In this video, you will learn the process of writing an ebook in easy-to-follow steps. The first step to writing an ebook is planning. Why is planning so crucial? Well, planning is like the skeleton of your ebook. It holds everything together and gives it shape. Without it, your ebook would be a formless mass of words and ideas. Start by choosing a topic. This could be anything that you're passionate about or something you have a lot of knowledge in. Remember, people are more likely to invest in an ebook that offers them value. So think about how you can use your expertise to benefit your readers. Next, research the market. Are there other ebooks out there on your chosen topic? If so, how can you make yours stand out? Can you offer a fresh perspective or delve deeper into the subject matter? It's important to know what you're up against so you can position your ebook for success. Now let's talk about defining your target audience. Knowing who you're writing for can help you tailor your content to their needs and interests. Are your readers beginners looking for a comprehensive guide? Or are they more advanced, seeking in-depth information on a specific aspect of the topic? Understanding your audience's needs will help you create an ebook that's both useful and engaging. Once you've chosen your topic, researched the market, and defined your target audience, it's time to create an outline. Your outline is your roadmap, guiding you through the writing process. It helps you organize your thoughts, structure your content, and ensure that you cover all the necessary points. Your outline doesn't have to be detailed. A simple list of key points or chapters will suffice. Remember, planning is an ongoing process. As you write, you might find that you need to tweak your plan to better accommodate your content. That's perfectly okay. Your plan is there to guide you, not confine you. Once you have your plan ready, you can move on to the next step, writing. Now that you have your plan, it's time to start writing. Writing is an art that demands discipline, creativity, and a dash of tenacity. Here are some tips that can help you craft your ebook with clarity and style. Firstly, set a daily word count goal. This can be as little as 500 or as ambitious as 2,000 words per day. The key is consistency. Just like a sculptor chips away at a block of marble day by day, you need to craft your ebook one word at a time. Now, on to the first drafts. Remember, they are not about perfection. They're about getting your ideas down on paper. Don't get caught up in editing as you write. Let your thoughts flow. There's a certain magic in allowing your ideas to take shape spontaneously. You can always refine your words later. A useful tip for maintaining focus while writing is to use tools for distraction-free writing. There are several applications and software available that provide a clean, minimalistic interface that helps you concentrate solely on your words, keeping all distractions at bay. Now, let's talk about content. Your ebook needs to resonate with your readers, and what better way to do that than by including real-life examples and case studies? They add authenticity to your content and help your readers relate to the concepts you're presenting. They're like the secret sauce that makes your ebook more engaging and credible. Yet, it's not enough to just present information and examples. Your ebook should also provide actionable steps that your readers can take. Actionable steps are like the bridge between knowledge and application. They help your readers apply what they've learned, making your ebook not just informative, but also transformative. Remember, the aim here is to create an ebook that is not just a vessel of information, but a catalyst for change. A good ebook is like a compass, guiding its readers towards a certain direction. It's about leaving a mark, stirring a thought, and sparking a change. And finally, remember that writing is a journey. There will be days when words come to you like a flowing river, and there will be days when they evade you like elusive shadows. On the harder days, remember why you started. Remember the message you want to convey and the impact you want to make. Writing an ebook is not just about stringing words together. It's about weaving a tapestry of ideas, thoughts, and experiences that can touch the lives of your readers. After you've finished writing, it's time to edit and polish your ebook. The journey of your ebook is just beginning. We're ready to dive into the world of editing and proofreading, where your raw diamonds of thoughts will be cut and polished into sparkling gems of wisdom. So stay tuned and let's continue this journey together. Editing is a crucial step in creating a high-quality ebook. It's like the final coat of polish on a piece of furniture, transforming a rough draft into a masterpiece. Let's talk about why editing is so important. First, it ensures clarity in your writing. You might know what you mean, but will your readers? Editing helps you see your work from their perspective and allows you to adjust the language, tone, and structure accordingly. This also enhances the coherence of your ebook, ensuring that your thoughts flow smoothly from one to the next, like a well-rehearsed symphony. Next, we have grammar and spelling. Yes, these might seem like schoolroom basics, but you'd be surprised how many seasoned writers stumble here. A misplaced comma or a misspelled word might not seem like a big deal, but they can disrupt your reader's experience, pulling them out of the narrative and into the real world. And trust me, no reader likes that. Now you might be thinking, I'm not a professional editor, and that's okay. You don't have to be. There are professional editing services available that can help you with this. Or if you're on a budget, there are editing software and tools available that can catch common errors and suggest improvements. But remember, machines don't catch everything. That's why it's also important to get feedback from others. Share your draft with a trusted friend or a writing group. They can provide a fresh perspective and pick up on things you might have missed. And don't rush it. Good editing takes time. Do multiple rounds, focusing on different elements each time, structure in the first round, language in the second, and so on. You'll be amazed at how your ebook transforms with each round. Finally, after all the hard work, your ebook is ready. But how do you get it to your readers? We'll tackle that in the next segment. The look and feel of your ebook is just as important as its content. Now that we've established that, let's dive into the realm of formatting and designing. This is where your ebook starts to take on a life of its own, visually speaking. Formatting your ebook for different platforms is crucial. Think of it as dressing your ebook for the party it's about to attend. Is it a casual get-together on a mobile device, or a formal soiree on a large tablet or e-reader? Each platform has its unique specifications, and you want your ebook to fit in seamlessly. There are tools out there that can help with this. Calibre, for instance, is an open-source ebook library management application that also includes a handy ebook converter. You can use it to convert your manuscript into different formats like EPUB, MOBI, and PDF, to name a few. Then comes the cover design. They say don't judge a book by its cover, but let's face it, everyone does. A professional, eye-catching cover can make all the difference. You can hire a professional designer or use design tools like Canva or Adobe Spark to create your own. But an ebook is more than just words on a page or a fancy cover. The beauty of an ebook is that you can include interactive elements like hyperlinks, images, charts, and even videos. These elements can elevate your ebook, making it not just a read, but an experience. Remember, though, that not all e-readers support all interactive elements. For instance, most e-readers don't support embedded videos. So you need to be mindful of these limitations when including such elements in your ebook. And there you have it. With careful formatting and thoughtful design, your ebook can be more than just a digital manuscript. It can be a visually appealing, interactive experience that readers can't put down. Now, your ebook looks perfect and is ready for the world to see. But where do you publish it? Don't worry, we'll get to that in the next scene. So, stay tuned. Publishing your ebook is the final step in this journey. It's an exciting moment when you're ready to share your work with the world. Now, where do you publish? There are numerous platforms to choose from, each with its own unique advantages. Let's delve into a few of the most popular ones. First off, there's Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP for short. KDP is a titan in the ebook industry, boasting a vast global audience. Here, you have the option to enroll in Kindle Unlimited, a subscription service where readers can access your book at no additional cost. The catch? Your ebook must be exclusive to Amazon. On the flip side, if your book does well, the rewards can be substantial. Next, we have Smashwords, a platform known for its flexibility. Unlike KDP, Smashwords allows you to distribute your ebook across multiple platforms, including Apple iBooks, Barnes & Noble, and Kobo. The downside, with a smaller market share than Amazon, visibility can be a challenge. Speaking of Apple, let's not forget Apple Books. If your target audience is predominantly iOS users, this might be your platform of choice. Apple Books is known for its seamless integration with Apple devices, which can provide a smooth reading experience for your readers. However, keep in mind that your reach may be limited to Apple users. Choosing the right platform depends on your unique needs and goals. You'll need to weigh the pros and cons and decide what works best for you and your ebook. Now let's talk about pricing. Setting a price for your ebook is more art than science. Consider the length and genre of your book, your target audience, and the prices of similar books in your genre. A good starting point could be between $2 and $5 for a novel-length ebook. And there you have it. You've navigated the maze of ebook publishing. You've weighed your options, chosen your platform, set your price, and now your ebook is out there for the world to enjoy. Congratulations! You have successfully published your ebook. Writing an ebook might seem daunting, but with these steps, it becomes a manageable task. Let's recap. Begin with a clear plan, outlining your content to ensure your thoughts are organized and your message is clear. Then, dive into writing, committing to consistent, disciplined work. Don't forget the crucial step of editing and proofreading, where you refine your work and eliminate any errors. Next, focus on formatting and designing your ebook to make it visually appealing and easy to read. Remember, a well-designed book can draw in your readers and keep them engaged. Finally, publish your ebook on a reliable platform, choosing one that best suits your needs and reaches your target audience. Don't let the process intimidate you. Instead, let it inspire you. Every sentence you write, every page you format, and every book you publish brings you one step closer to becoming an expert author. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share for more of the same content. Cheers!